Hey, everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're serious about your financial future and looking to invest smartly, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 5 of the best stocks to watch in 2025 that could potentially deliver huge returns. That's right, stocks with massive potential for profit, and I'm here to break it all down for you. So grab your notepad, hit that like button, and let's get into it.
Before we jump into the specific stocks, let me set the stage. The stock market in 2025 will likely look very different from what we're used to today. With advancements in AI, renewable energy, biotechnology, and the shifting economic landscape, there's a massive opportunity for investors who can spot the winners early. The stocks I'm sharing with you today aren't just picks, they're trends. These companies are leading the charge in their industries and have the potential to deliver 100% or more in returns. Let's get started with the first one. Alright, stock number 1 is Tesla TSLA. Wait, don't roll your eyes just yet. Yes, Tesla has been a household name for years now, but here's the thing, they're on the verge of something huge in 2025. Tesla has positioned itself as a leader in electric vehicles, but what you might not know is that their advancements in artificial intelligence, energy storage solutions, and autonomous driving tech are about to set them apart even more. Tesla's AI-driven self-driving cars are expected to become mainstream, and the company is working on a fully autonomous vehicle that could transform the automotive industry forever. And don't forget about their solar energy business, which could see massive growth as the world shifts to green energy. So, why should you consider investing in Tesla? If their AI and energy divisions reach full potential, the stock price could soar even higher. If you're looking for a company with a proven track record and massive upside potential, this is one to keep an eye on. Let's talk about NextEra Energy, one of the most exciting companies in the renewable energy sector. Now, we all know that the world is moving towards greener alternatives, and NextEra is a frontrunner in wind and solar energy. They've been ramping up their investments in clean energy projects, and in 2025, they're expected to be one of the biggest players in the industry. NextEra is unique because they've not only dominated the US market, but are expanding internationally, opening up even more growth opportunities. As governments and companies continue to push for carbon neutrality, NextEra will see significant demand for its clean energy solutions. Plus, they're also a dividend-paying stock, which adds an extra layer of appeal for long-term investors. If you're looking for a stock that combines sustainability and profitability, NextEra Energy could be the one to put on your radar in 2025. Stock number 4, Shopify Shop. In the world of e-commerce, Shopify has been a game changer. They provide businesses with the tools they need to create and scale online stores, and the growth potential here is massive. As more businesses shift to online sales and consumers demand a better shopping experience, Shopify is perfectly positioned to thrive. They're not just an e-commerce platform, they're a vital part of the digital ecosystem, helping companies tap into global markets. In fact, Shopify has expanded its offerings to include AI-driven tools and logistics services, making it even more attractive. What's exciting about Shopify is that they're just getting started. In 2025, we could see a significant uptick in revenue as more businesses transition to their platform, and that means big gains for early investors. And finally, the last stock on our list is Microsoft MSFD. Now, you might be thinking, Microsoft is already huge. Can it still deliver big gains? The answer is absolutely yes. Microsoft is diving deep into the cloud and AI spaces. Their Azure cloud platform is growing at an exponential rate, and their focus on AI research and development positions them to be a key player in the next wave of tech innovation. In fact, Microsoft is already integrating AI, their software suite, and the potential for even more advanced AI tools could take their business to the next level. They're also making moves in gaming with Xbox and cloud gaming technology, which will only continue to expand as more people turn to digital entertainment. With their diverse portfolio and forward-thinking investments, Microsoft could continue to deliver impressive returns in 2025 and beyond. So there you have it, the 5 best stocks that could deliver 100% gains or more in 2025. Let's quickly recap. Tesla TSLA, the future of electric vehicles and AI. NVIDIA NVDA, powering AI with their world-leading GPUs. NextEra Energy, the renewable energy giant. Shopify Shop, the e-commerce powerhouse that's revolutionizing online retail. Microsoft MSFD, a tech giant expanding into cloud and AI for massive growth.
What do you think? Which stock are you most excited about? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think. And if you enjoyed this video and want to see more investment tips and stock picks, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications so you never miss a video. Until next time, happy investing, and I'll see you in the next one.